This video compares the stylus performance of the Surbook and Hi13, which are called a big and small tablet. And this is with the Microsoft OneNote. Let's first make something the Surbook. It's a highlighter, yellow one. Super smooth. The sand sense in Hi13 is big one. Super smooth as well. Let's use the pencil. Side pencil. Good. The Surbook. Pencil. Good. The only difference is that the color of the Hi13 is a little bit darker than that of the Surbook. And now let's switch to the Autodesk Sketchbook. As we all know, Sketchbook in Hi13 is pretty laggy and is not usable. Let's draw something. Yes, this is what I said. It's completely not usable because it's really laggy unless we lower the resolution of the monitors. But with the Surbook is excellent. No laggy at all, which makes the Surbook more powerful. The 2G RAM and a little bit smaller, low resolution monitors. But it's really surprised.